没事没事。
重新来一下。
我练休息。
Hello guys, I'm Rachel. Do you know why are most of all those advertising screen LED displays? Okay, the reason is that the environmental adaptabilities of the LED display is stronger and waterproof and dustproof, and the brightness of its cooling block can be automatically adjusted according to the environmental brightness to meet the user's requirements of the human eyes. Alright, a common is the screen on the outside walls. Yes, we can see of the walls on the taxi and on the door of the mall. Yeah. Okay, when you selecting the LED display, we can choose the corresponding point spaces for products according to the budget, right? The price and the visual distance, and choose the appropriate installation and maintenance method according to install the position, right? Alright. And if you have any question, you can just post in the comments. Yeah, just the comments, let me know. Okay, waiting for you. See you next time. Bye bye.